toll bar plate.
Grab this.
If you ride a bike in here, you don't need money. Like the bike lane.
The bike lane is free, I think.
Yeah, you can ride bike to it because a lot of people do it.
Because it
you
doesn't
find a place
cost
to park.
anything.
Yeah.
Oh,
If you come here, you see when you charge fees.
Yep.
They just, chain it to a bar or something.
Why you gotta pay?
Over there.
And you go to
The Golden
if you go to
Dome?
Key West,
Not sure.
right? The whole way it's like this. If you
Yeah,
go to Key
with
West.
you got water on both sides.
That's cool.
So where are we going?
To right now, Key Biscayne.
Whoa, is that, what type of bird is that? Pelican?
It looks like one. There's some more boats. That boat's blue. I like it. That's really.
Hey, I've seen more of those with the green and red. Don't you move.
You gonna get ran over?
No, let him. It's all good. Y'all ready for the beach?
Yeah. You got nice.
Honey, are you ready to go?
He saw you.
It's really pretty, isn't it? See how it gets darker out there?
Green, blue,
Yeah.
green.
Well, where it gets darker, that's where there's
Deeper.
seaweed on the bottom.
No, it's where it's deeper.
No, it's not.
So that's just seaweed?
Well, I'm gonna push you in the drop off, homie.
Is this where we're settling it?
Do not walk.
Why is he walking on?
Because he's putting his feet in the water.
Can I do that?
Yeah, I don't care. Yeah. Sand, I don't know. If you feel the need to remove it to look, go for it.
Oh my god, it's so deep.
Guys, let's find our spot.
There's no much food there.
So that's. Yep. Because it gives us more like. Because I don't like to get into where the seaweed is. I don't know if there's any like little creatures in there, so I don't like it.
Yeah. Whoa, it's a whole tree.
All right. How is it, guys?
There's like a little bubble right there. Could be called your boat.
Huh?
Come on, Chief.
See, look, come over here, guys. You can see the seaweed.
I saw it. I dared one of the girls to grab some and pick it up, but they wouldn't.
They say we're
It's warm. This feels great. Like the water isn't freezing cold.
Feels
anymore.
stupid. It's supposed to be
Hey,
cold.
stop acting stupid, Taylor.
I'm not. It's so much cold.
There's some people over there.
This is better than a pool.
Husband's
What if that
enjoying
gets
over
wet?
there.
Taylor's hair.
Nothing.
Taylor,
So
We're gonna wash
it's allowed
it
to get
and go.
wet. So if I
Yeah.
push Kayla over in the water, Amber, can I push her over in the water?
Consent.
Well, of course she's not gonna consent to it. You know that.
So we're over here playing in the water, and they think that they found a sea turtle, but apparently it wasn't a sea turtle. So they used Cody's shirt to pick it up. Let's see what it is.
I don't know what that is.
It's a creature. You might
like
be not a
fuzzy.
creature.
Place it on the sand.
What the hell?
It's like a plant. Oh, we get fucked, man. I thought it's a spiky plant or something. It's not a creature.
Okay. How disappointed are you guys?
A lot. Very. Let me say hi to the lady.
Where's the plant?
We'll put it over there, Tater. It's a widgeon.
I got my hopes up so much. I thought it was a turtle. Yeah, the girls are blind. That was definitely nothing like a turtle, except shape.
Well, you couldn't really see it unless you had the goggles on.
Yeah, and Kayla looked at it and said, "It's a turtle." It's a turtle. It has a hole in it, but it's a turtle. Check again.
I can't. What blended in with the seaweed?
Octopi.
And I'll be
Get it, Amber? Get
Huh?
the octopi.
There's no
Said
octopi.
it blended in with the seaweed. Who's to say it wasn't an octopi?
An octopus if it's one.
No.
Octopi if it's more than
It's
one.
I call it octopi.
Okay. Oh, shit.
I don't trust some of the things I can see from here, and like be shooting air out or something.
Maybe creatures inside.
Probably, but
Sea
there's
snake or something.
Oh, it tastes so bad.
Don't get it in your mouth.
I didn't mean to. It will get on your lips though when you're in the water. I do this. What do you do? I don't. I just. No.
Look, we got some
It's fucking cold.
of these. And Yen and Jaden got some too. And the kids are still kind of snorkeling. Me and Cody snorkeled for a while, and that's how we found all those ones a second ago. They've seen fish, and you can see little holes where little creatures are going way down in there, and the air bubbles coming up.
What?
Nothing, I'm talking to the camera.
My favorite part that I go to because there's more out ways can get.
Uh-huh. There's an area way, way, way over there where there's a little bit more people, and it goes out way high. It goes way further out to like up to my breast.
Just walking.
Yeah, just walking. Cause last time me and Young came to the beach, that's where we were, and we could come out pretty far.
I'm getting my shoes, so I'm gonna walk in the seaweed.
Okay.
Get mine. Amber,
Yes,
I'm starting to get hungry.
I am too. As soon as we get home, we're gonna cook. We got chicken marinating.
Is there rice gonna be with it too?
There can be.
Or something
Yeah.
really good?
We're gonna have like potatoes and some other stuff.
Oh, this is really long. Oh my god.
Where's you going?
James
Did your shoes fall off?
no.
Okay.
I just said it's really high, the seaweed.
Oh, the seaweed's up high.
Yeah. I don't know if I like it.
Super tall, man.
Let's go.
Oh, okay. There's the lighthouse.
There's a lot of holes in this.
Found it.
What was it?
Flip flop. That picture. That's it.
What, Kayla? there are fishies in there.
Put that somewhere.
What?
Oh shoot! Put it somewhere. Help it floats away.
You won't float away.
What? Tell your husband to get my shoe. He's like floating.
Babe, get her shoe. Oh, it's just going to the beach. It's just going to the shore.
No, it's gonna float away without something on
Swimming. Like freaking Patrick. Is that how Patrick swims?
Yeah, look. Yeah, right here. Let me get to the sun.
Let me get on the other side of the sun.
And then out here. And it hurts really bad, so I have to like.
Aw.
So I'm just like. I look like a freaking stalker.
Like that song, The Creep. Birdies.
But these fuckers are fast and cannot be caught. Like that little that's jumping. That's pretty cool. Ugh, it's right in the sun. Wow.
I know.
I don't think I can do this.
You want to go back?
So many mosquitoes.
Okay.
I was goodbye.
Do you want to go back? Does everybody want to go back?
Yes.
Because answer me now.
How do they
I don't want complaints later.
Let's go.
Well, there will be another.
I don't think
No. We were gonna go on the nature trail, but it didn't last very long because of all the mosquitoes. And because some people are hungry.
Oh, now you feel itchy, huh? Now you want to.
What?
Disappeared in the tree. Like it went to the middle and poof, it was gone. It didn't go through it. It climbed up into the middle and it was gone. See, those lizards you jump. I think they're pretty cool. There's Jesus. God save the Queen. Hey, is this it? Yeah, it's black. There's black smoke coming out.
Shit.
There's no more smoke, but it's still like stained black. Amber,
Yes.
if you were dropped in the middle of all that water, do you think you'd have enough energy to swim out?
I'd make some energy to swim out because I don't feel like dying.
Nobody feels like dying. There are no waves there. It's just ripples in the water. There are no waves.
All right. Yes, I think I could.